Hey y'all, this is Zoe and welcome back to my channel, and today I am making some strawberry cupcakes. I'm so excited to try these, and I'm probably going to put the recipe in the description for you guys to try at home. So let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So I have all of my ingredients laid out already, and I'm going to add all these ingredients into this bowl. This is a one bowl recipe, so you don't need like multiple bowls at one time. So the first thing I'm going to start off with is adding my pureed strawberries. And I'm going to add my cup of sugar. I just want to mix that up together. And once I mix it in really well, I'm going to let it sit for a couple of minutes. And then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. Alright, so I let the strawberries and the sugar sit together for a couple of minutes, and it smells really good. So the next thing I'm going to add is 1 egg. Add some milk, or you can use evaporated milk. I've learned that evaporated milk is really good and stuff like this because it makes the the batter, when it cooks, really fluffy. I'm going to add some vegetable oil. And I'm going to add some vanilla. You could probably also use strawberry extract. I thought I had some, but I don't. I'm going to mix that in really good. I love the color of this. It's probably going to be like a pink cupcake. So the next thing I'm going to add is some all-purpose flour, baking powder, and salt. We're gonna make a regular vanilla frosting. I might add strawberries. I haven't really decided yet. So for the icing, I'm going to use 2 sticks of unsalted butter. I'm going to use some strawberries and a half a bag of powdered sugar. Maybe like a quarter of it.